Hello and welcome to the Coffee Direct Kitchen, where today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cinnamon coffee, a lovely spiced warming drink that's perfect for autumn and winter. I've decided to use the Monsoon Malabar coffee. It's our most popular origin coffee, an espresso roast but suitable for all brewing methods, with a good body, smooth rich flavours and aromas and a low acidity. To make this coffee you will need a kettle, a saucepan or a milk frother and a cafetière. I'm using a small cafetière because this is only for one person, but if you want to make it for more, please adjust the ingredients accordingly. You will need 2 tablespoons of ground coffee, 2 cinnamon sticks, 180 ml of milk and 125 ml of water. Additionally, you can also top it with whipped cream and ground cinnamon should you want. Okay, so to make this coffee, first you put your coffee grounds in the cafetière. Then snap your cinnamon sticks in half and put them on top of the grounds. Add your hot water. And then put the lid on the cafetière. While this is brewing, it should take about 4 minutes, you would froth your milk. But you can do it yourself by using a milk frother or by heating it over a low to medium heat in a saucepan and whisking it gently. After about 4 minutes, press the cafetière down and then pour the coffee into your mug, leaving enough room for the frothed milk. Then add the frothed milk and then garnish with your whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon on top. And that's how you make a cinnamon coffee. Thank you for watching, we hope you've enjoyed.